How to pair devices on Shahid VIP. Now in this video, I'll provide you a specific method or ways for you to be able to pair your available devices while streaming on Shahid VIP. Now this is very easy. So first is figure out where you will want to use Shahid. So if this is going to be your mobile app from your smart television or via your PC, then that's actually doable. So the very first thing that you want to do if you're going to be logging in or pairing it into the device, for example, your mobile phone, then just simply open up the application and you should be able to see this option to scan a QR code using your phone or to use a specific code that will be posted on your screen like this one. Now, once you have done this, then all you have to do is to go back on the main device and then just simply change the link into Sahid VIP on the very end of the link to simply change it into pair. Now, if this doesn't work, all you're just gonna make sure is make sure that those specific devices are on the same network. Like if you're using Wi-Fi or maybe Bluetooth, make sure that it is fully or successfully connected both first before doing or pairing it. And that is how you pair devices on Shahid VIP.